Hi friends, welcome back to Edible Vibes. Every family has that one dish that they make for every special occasion. In our family, it's appam and my mom's famous chicken stew. My family loves appams, and we have already showed you how we make our instant Kallappam. So today, we thought we'll show you how to make some delicious Kallappam. So let's get started. Kallu means toddy. The name Kallappam means appam made with toddy. What is toddy? Toddy is an alcoholic beverage made from fermented coconut sap. In olden days, this appam was made with toddy. Since toddy is not readily available, we will use yeast instead. So first, take 2 cups of Idli rice. Wash properly and soak it in water for at least 7 to 8 hours or overnight. Once the rice is done soaking, take half to 3/4 teaspoon of yeast, 1 tablespoon of sugar in 1/4 cup of lukewarm water. Mix it well and let it sit for 5 to 10 minutes. Now grind the soaked rice in a mixer grinder. Halfway through grinding, add 1 cup of cooked rice and 3/4 cup of grated coconut. You can grind it using water or coconut milk. Here, I have used coconut milk for that extra flavor. The amount of coconut milk you will need will vary depending on the rice used. So pour little by little and grind it till you have a smooth batter. Transfer it into a large bowl. Add the fermented yeast mixture with the rice batter and stir well. Allow this mixture to ferment for 6 to 8 hours. During summers, it won't take more than 4 to 5 hours to ferment, but during winters, it might take longer than 6 to 8 hours. So adjust the fermentation time accordingly. Now just before preparing the appam, take 5 cloves of garlic, 1 teaspoon of cumin seeds and half cup of grated coconut in a grinder jar. Grind it to a thick paste. Do not add any water while grinding this. You do not want it to be a liquidy paste. It will be dry and it will be fine. Now take the fermented batter. The way you know that the batter has fermented is by the aroma. It would have an alcoholic smell to it and it would have doubled in volume. Add enough salt to taste and add this ground coconut mixture and mix well. Now this batter is ready to make appams. If the batter is very thick, you can thin it out by either adding milk or coconut milk. The consistency should be similar to that of an idli batter. Now heat a non-stick tawa over medium heat. pour a small ladle full of batter onto the tawa. The batter will spread by itself, but you can help it a little bit. Now cover and let this cook for a minute or two. You know the appam is cooked when you see small teeny tiny holes all over the appam. Now this appam is completely cooked. You can take it off the tawa. Your kallappams are now ready. Enjoy it with some lovely chicken stew or some delicious Nardan chicken curry. This is one of our favorite recipes and we hope that you try it at home. If you like this video, please like, share and subscribe to our channel. Until next time, happy cooking.